I've heard many budding makeup artists asking me how I got established as a good makeup artist and how I get good number of orders to actually survive. Guess what? I do not reply those messages. Not because I don't want to tell them the secret. It's because there's no secret. I've also been in the struggling phase to an extent where I even thought of quitting this field and continuing my IT job. But did I do it? No. All I did was not living a single opportunity that came my way. Let it be paid, unpaid, or low paid, irrespective of what timing it is, I made sure to grab it. And I treated all the faces that I worked on as my models, which I still do it even now. It's been 5+ years I've been working as a makeup artist. I don't remember a single day hiring a professional model. Of course, in the beginning, I couldn't afford a professional model, but later I could afford. But I decided not to hire any professional model to showcase my work because is there any fun working on the face where there's no flaws? Rather, I started treating my clients as my models and I did everything to learn and to do best on them. Until I got really good at my work, I didn't demand for money. I would always agree for bad negotiation where there's no much profit at all. I would agree even if the stay is not provided. I would agree even if I had to travel for many kilometers without getting paid for the traveling. I did all of this believing one day I will demand for money that my work deserves. Guess what? I didn't disappoint my hopes. Today, my clients do not negotiate with me. They provide me everything that requires to get the work done. It can be travel, stay, food, or whatever it is, which I'm very, very grateful for. This didn't happen overnight. Every single day I've learned. It can be makeup skills, product knowledge, editing, client management, or whatever it takes to make my business better. To end this, there is purely no shortcuts. You should put effort to learn and then demand. I remember this quote which I read long time ago. If you be good at what you do, your clients will do the marketing for you. That's exactly what happened to me. I never paid for models. I never paid for celebrities to showcase my work. Rather, I treated my clients as my celebrities. I did everything to make them happy on their big days. I don't even know if this whole thing makes sense, but this is what it is.